ang pusong ito. Mawala ka
sa aking piling,
mahal ko iyong dinggin. At wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman ay magkikilig ka kapag aking sasabihin minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka,
makasama ka.
yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang puso ito mawala ka
Sa aking piling,
mahal ko iyong dinggin. You know what? It's not as disastrous as I thought it would be. It could, you know what? Do not attempt at perfect blending because it will never shall the twain meet. Okay? With your vocal level and your vocal level, hindi, never will the twain meet. Make it two people sing a duet, make it Ronnie Inares, ano pa? Georgie Paredes, you know. It's two people singing.
Together.
Okay, na. But please don't look at each other while singing this song because it will look like a pedophile fantasy. Okay? Basta talaga, you're singing to the audience.
While
Okay?
practicing lang.
Parang dalawa kayo, kumakanta kayo, but then nagkataon kayo, magkaibigan kayo, nagkainuman kayo, and you're singing it well to the audience.
Yun.
Enjoy it. Alam mo, attack menu dito na lang po na, panalangin. Puta na may babae dyan. Alam mo, hinaharana yung isang babae doon, niloloko niyo yung babae sa audience. Okay? Inyari, ilagay mo si Chris, ando si audience, yung panalangin. Parang, alaya.
Magbarkada kayo.
Barkada kayo, nasa karaoke kayo singing so well, okay, and having fun. Okay, wanting to go, because that's the only way it can work for you two as a pair. Gets mo, Iñaki?
Sir.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Trust me. Okay? Alright, good.
yeah.
Apir.
Apir, okay? Alright, okay.
Thank you, sir.
No, kailangan kasi, yung, I'm looking at it physically, I'm looking at it in terms of personality. Hindi ka naman mag-match yan, It will never match, okay? Because, nung nag-duet si Mami at saka si Christian, it worked because the song had got nothing to do with their physical appearance. Okay? And especially, ginamit natin yung voice level ni Christian to, he was singing the Diana Ross portion of that song. And she was singing the, ano ba yan?
Marvin is gay.
Marvin Gaye. Oo.
Marvin is gay.
So, dito, huwag nyo nang anuhin. Talagang, panalangin. Talagang, dalawang homeboy, dalawang amboy, dalawang kanto boy na kumakanta, having a good time to a girl in the audience. Okay, sing to the audience and then occasionally look at each other. Parang, halika, lukuhin natin itong babaeng to. Okay, manyakin nyo yung babae. Okay, o kayang-kaya mo yung Christian, di ba? Di ba? Okay. That's just up your alley. Okay?
What's with that quote? Like, we've been hearing that word so much lately.
Which is this?
Manyakin.
Manyakin.
Minamanyak na.
Sounds like my name. That's why you hear it.
Okay? Any questions? Okay, I will try to be here on Saturday for the rehearsal to see.
Yes.
Okay?
Friday fitting.
Okay?
Bayad yan.
Ah, you have to match?
Yeah, sir. Kasi like, the trio, diba? Hindi naman pwede kanya-kanyang costume.
Okay, sige. What time ba is the fitting?
At night.
Friday night, direct fitting.
You guys are ruining my social life. Okay? I've been celibate for 2 months. Okay, give me, help me, okay? Alright, sige. Okay. Alright. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? But you can do this. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Ano yan, anak? Ang tanging hinihingi daw niya is at least 1 minute, ano?
Hindi
Bilis!